Have you ever wondered about the mastermind behind the groundbreaking Tesla robot? It's a question that's been buzzing in the minds of tech enthusiasts and curious minds alike. Let's dive into the world of artificial intelligence and robotics. Imagine a future where robots seamlessly integrate into our daily lives, performing tasks with precision and efficiency. A future where machines possess intelligence and capabilities that were once the stuff of science fiction. The Tesla robot, a visionary concept, the Tesla robot, unveiled by the visionary Elon Musk, is a prime example of this futuristic vision. It's not just a machine, it's a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. But who exactly is the genius behind this creation? Elon Musk, the driving force. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, and other groundbreaking ventures, is the driving force behind the Tesla robot. Known for his ambitious projects and innovative ideas, Musk has a knack for pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The inspiration behind the Tesla robot, the inspiration for the Tesla robot can be traced back to Musk's desire to automate repetitive and dangerous tasks. He envisions a future where robots can handle mundane chores, freeing humans to pursue more creative and fulfilling endeavors. The development process, the development of the Tesla robot has been a collaborative effort involving a team of brilliant engineers and scientists. These experts have worked tirelessly to bring Musk's vision to life, overcoming numerous challenges along the way. Key features and capabilities. The Tesla robot is designed to be a versatile and capable machine. It boasts impressive features such as advanced artificial intelligence. The robot is equipped with cutting-edge AI algorithms that enable it to learn, adapt, and perform complex tasks. Humanoid design. Its humanoid form allows it to interact with the environment in a way that is more intuitive and natural. Strength and precision. The robot is capable of exerting significant force while maintaining precision in its movements. Safety features. Safety is a top priority in the design of the Tesla robot, with measures in place to prevent accidents and ensure human well-being. Potential applications. The Tesla robot has the potential to revolutionize various industries and aspects of our lives. Some potential applications include manufacturing. Robots could automate production processes, increasing efficiency and reducing costs. Healthcare. They could assist in surgeries, patient care, and drug delivery. Domestic tasks. Robots could handle chores such as cleaning, cooking, and laundry. Exploration. They could be deployed in dangerous environments or for space exploration. Challenges and future prospects. While the Tesla robot holds immense promise, there are also challenges to be addressed. These include ethics and safety. As robots become more advanced, questions arise about their ethical implications and the potential risks they pose. Job displacement. The widespread adoption of robots could lead to job losses in certain industries. Technological limitations. Current AI and robotics technology may still have limitations that need to be overcome. Despite these challenges, the future of the Tesla robot and robotics in general looks bright. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more remarkable innovations in this field. So, who created the Tesla robot? The answer is Elon Musk, a visionary entrepreneur who has pushed the boundaries of innovation. The Tesla robot represents a significant step forward in the field of robotics and AI, and it has the potential to shape our future in profound ways. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.